Hello everybody, it's me Max. And today we'll be making a stuffed phyllo dough with an easy way and a tasty flavor. Let's begin with the ingredients first. 450 grams of phyllo dough, oil and butter, 1 pound of ground beef, 1 medium-sized onion, 1 medium green pepper, 1 cup of mozzarella cheese, half cup of olives, 2 eggs, half cup of milk plus half cup of cream or 1 cup of milk, salt, black pepper, meat spices, and paprika. First, we'll start preparing the filling. In a hot pan, we'll put oil or ghee. Then we'll put 1 chopped onion and stir it until the color of it has changed. Then add the ground beef and put the heat on low until we stir the meat well as you see in the video. Now put the heat on high and stir the meat until the color of it has changed. Then add the salt, black pepper, half teaspoon of meat spices, half teaspoon of paprika, then add the green pepper and stir for 2 minutes. Now the ground beef is ready. We will add 1 cup of shredded cheese to the meat, and this is optional. Then add half cup of olives, and this is optional, and then stir well. Now we will start preparing the phyllo dough. In a bowl, we will put the eggs, half cup of ghee or butter plus oil, half cup of milk plus half cup of cream, or 1 cup of milk. Then add salt, black pepper, and mix well. We'll put 3 phyllo dough sheets on top of each other after we brush each one of them with egg mix. Then we'll put 1 more phyllo dough sheet on top of them, but without brushing it. On the edge of the phyllo dough sheets, we will put some of the ground beef. We'll roll the filled dough sheets as we are pressing on it, as you see. We'll put it in a brushed oven pan. We will repeat the same process with the other amount of the filo dough. It's better if you cover the filo dough with plastic wrap or a towel to keep it soft while you're using it. After we finish the whole amount of the filo dough, we'll put the remaining egg mix on top of the filo dough and brush it with a brush, as you see. Then we'll cut the filo dough at any size you like. We'll put it in a heat oven at 350 degrees. And this is how it looks like after it came out of the oven. It takes about 25 minutes to 30 minutes in the oven while watching it. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.